It is your host Raj Singh. Today our guest is Salman Khan. किसी की भाई किसी की जान. Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you. So, how was your day, sir?
Very nice. You say?
My also nice. Sir, first, the most famous question will come. When your wedding is happening.
Oh man, please don't say it. Don't say it.
So, sir, please, sir, tell us. Everyone,
Every time, anytime.
Sir, please, sir.
No crush, no girlfriend, so I can.
So, sir, which actress is your favorite?
Yeah, my favorite actress is Katrina Kaif.
Oh, Rani Mukherjee.
She's also good.
Oh. Sir, so what is your highest peak of the career?
Yeah, good question.
Yeah.
My highest peak of the career was 2014 to 2017, and the biggest film of my career was Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Oh, yeah, sir, that was very nice movie. So, sir, how was the career started?
My career was started in 1988 from the film Bhi Ho To Aisi.
Oh, so how you pretend the role? How can you preparing the role?
Yeah, in Bhi Ho To Aisi, my role was very bad. I don't like it. That was the first role of my life. It was negative role. I don't like it.
So, sir, how you feel about Big Boss?
Yeah, it's very.
You say every time that Big Boss is forcing you or getting you into the show, but you always come like a
Every contestant
owner.
are so everyone they
Yeah,
fight,
sir.
fight,
But
they don't have discipline. I
Yeah,
don't understand.
you're like a principal of Big Boss,
Yeah, like
like a school.
yeah, like a school.
Yeah. So, sir, how is your daily routine of yours?
Yeah, my daily routine to wake up at 8 o'clock,
Yeah.
then go to park, and then I go to set for the films.
So, sir, what is your secret about your health?
Yeah,
Sir, I want that. Sir.
follow good diet.
Okay, sir.
Do gym. Whenever you do gym, don't be in excess.
Oh,
Everything has its own limit.
thank you for your time, sir.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you so much, fans, who support me every time.